Hey everyone, today I'm walking you through how to use GoHighLevel, the all-in-one CRM and marketing platform for your business in 2026. This is not just about tools, it's about systems that help you win more leads, automate follow-ups, and streamline your entire workflow. We'll cover CRM basics, pipelines, automation, AI features, integrations, reputation tools, and more. Let's dive in. At the core of GoHighLevel is the CRM, your database of business relationships. Here's how it works. Accounts are the companies you work with, like a business or organization. Contacts are the people you communicate with, the actual human you email, call, or message. So when you create a CRM record, you usually have an account and a contact tied to it. This is important. The account keeps the business entity, and the contact keeps the person who interacts with your team. Next up, pipelines and opportunities. GoHighLevel lets you build custom pipelines. This could be for sales, onboarding, or anything with stages. For example, new, qualification, booked, and completed. You can drag opportunities between stages as you progress. This helps you visualize your sales flow. This keeps your team aligned and ensures no leads fall through the cracks. One of the biggest wins is automation. In GHL, you can build workflows that react to events. When a new deal is created, send an SMS. When a form is submitted, send a follow-up email. Triggers lead to actions, and that means faster and more consistent responses to your leads. Quick replies earn more business than slow follow-ups. Automation ensures you are always first. GoHighLevel also lets you communicate across channels: SMS, email, phone calls, and social messages. Plus, in 2026, GHL expanded its AI capabilities, including AI-assisted chat replies and voice AI assistants. This means your system is working for you 24/7, not just when your team is awake. Another huge advantage is integrations. GoHighLevel connects with Google and Meta platforms. It works with Instagram, WhatsApp, and payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal. These connections let you centralize data and orchestrate marketing from one place. Managing your reputation is easier with GHL. You can monitor reviews across multiple platforms, automatically request reviews via SMS or email, and respond promptly from one dashboard. Getting and managing reviews helps you boost trust and visibility for your brand. Need landing pages, funnels, or lead capture forms? GoHighLevel has visual tools to build them fast. No external landing page tools needed. This keeps everything consistent and connected. And if you provide training, GHL supports membership areas and online courses with built-in hosting. You can offer free or premium programs, all while tracking your members and engagement. To grow, you need to know your numbers. In GoHighLevel, you can track weekly leads and appointments, monitor response times, show up rates, and conversions to identify exactly where to improve. That's your 5-minute GoHighLevel walkthrough, from CRM basics and pipelines to automation and memberships. Keep your workflows consistent, measure weekly, and let automation do the heavy lifting. I'll see you in the next one.